Hey guys, it's Vladi from Ausgeknipst. Just a quick video to show you how to install the Ausgeknipst Rollei 35 and 35S light meter cover. You will get it in together with some double-sided adhesive tape, and you just have to cut it into small pieces and glue it onto the cover like that. We already prepared it. Then remove this yellow back side of the tape like that. You can use your fingernails or maybe some tools. And now just put it here, maybe clean it a little if it's dirty. We already cleaned it with some isopropyl alcohol or window cleaner, and place it around the light meter and press firmly. Okay, it holds pretty well. You can close it and open it like that. Thanks for watching.